If you need to dispute a refund status in Shopify admin, follow these steps to ensure your concerns are addressed properly. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into Shopify admin. Access your Shopify account by entering your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Shopify admin dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Orders. From the dashboard, locate and click on the Orders tab in the left-hand menu. This section contains all your recent orders, including their current statuses. Step 3. Find the order in question. Scroll through the list of orders or use the search bar to find the specific order you wish to dispute. Click on the order to view its details, including the refund status. Step 4. Review refund details. Once you are in the order details, look for the refund information. Check the status and any notes related to the refund to understand the context of your dispute. Step 5. Contact Shopify support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively dispute a refund status in Shopify admin. Make sure to keep all relevant information handy to facilitate the process.